Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. We add password to our RAR file to protect it, but it could be annoying if we forgot the password. So how to break WinRAR password if we forgot? You can get your password back if you used an easy one. Copy the command to a notepad. Replace the path with your WinRAR installation path. Save the file as .bat file. Run it as administrator. Enter your RAR file name. Press Enter. Copy your file path here. Press Enter. Wait for a while. You will get your password. Or you can recover the password with PassFab for RAR. Get the software from its official website. Run it on your computer. Add your file. Choose one password attack method. Click Start. A few moments later, you can get your password. Copy it to unlock your RAR file.